Welcome to the Fieldcrest. Part of our Smart Living collection with HHHunt homes, this brand new condominium floor plan combines quality with confidence you're making a smart, affordable decision. Right away, you're greeted with an airy and welcoming ambience. The kitchen's open concept makes creating memories easy. Bake your favorite recipes from scratch using the large island and gourmet appliances. Across from the dining room lies the living room. Filled with an abundance of natural light, this space is perfect for cozying up to a good book or visiting with loved ones. Down the hall is the owner's suite. The large bedroom connects to a private bathroom, fit with dual sinks and a spacious shower. Now let's move upstairs to the loft. This multi-purpose space is adaptable to your lifestyle, however you see fit. Across the hall is the second bathroom and bedroom. Use it as the ideal guest suite, craft room, or office. Memories are made in the home of your dreams. We invite you to make your memories at the Fieldcrest. For more information, visit HHHunthomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.